Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Quilty Box unboxing for you, and this is December 2018. Let's get started because I'm excited to see what's inside. Hopefully you can hear me. I did an adjustment with my microphone, so we'll see how that goes. So now let's get into the box. Ta-da! We have our Bundles of Inspiration booklet. And our message from Patrick. This gives some information about what's inside the classic Quilty box. And that's what I have, the classic. They have several other options as well. And this does tell the prices, so there's no separate card anymore, so everything's right here. This tells what's inside the mini. That fabric is beautiful. And this is about the English paper piecing Quilty box. And this says to meet. I'm sorry, can't pronounce his name. I don't know if it's GC, I'm not sure. There's some Q&A with him. This is the long-awaited premiere Andover Fabrics collection from GC. I should look it up and see how to pronounce his name. It's Quantum. This is a quilt I guess he designed for the Quilty box called Feathering. I do like that design. It's cool. The directions. So that's our pattern. And here's another one. That's cool. Reminds me of Q*bert, for those of you who know that game, Q*bert. This is called Tumbling Colors. And designed for Quilty Box by paperpieces.com. Tells how to make that. How to make a needle book. This talks about a wool pressing mat. This is the subscriber spotlight. This is Kelly Hetched. You can look her up. And then our sneak peek of our next quilter, Scott Hansen of Blue Nickel Studios. So let's see what we got. I'm going to take it out of the box to make more room. Hopefully this is not too loud with the way I set up my microphone. I know that always sounds loud when I'm editing. Ooh, I see some cute scissors. Let's move that as well. So here we go. We have two Aurifil, which I love these colors. They're so pretty. Here are the numbers if you want to look those up. We got some super cute little scissors. It's like a little fish, and they're stainless steel. Super cute. Hope they work good because they feel stiff. Maybe after a little use. They cut that pretty well. But they're a little stiff, but they are cute. I do like that. We got some size 11, 10 needles, Milliners, Colonial, made in England for hand sewing. Oh, this is that belted pressing mat. That's what they were showing that for. A 4-inch square for small pieces of fabric. Press any pieced or embroidered block with ease. The density of this high quality 100% felted wool mat absorbs seams and stitches, effectively pressing both sides at once. Block knitted projects as well as pinning them directly to the mat. An added bonus, the texture of the wool stops fabrics from shifting so there's no distortion when pressing. Oh, that's interesting. And we have some fabric. So pretty. Let's see, I forgot about the little price guide here. So let's look at the fabric real quick and then I'll go over prices. So it's kind of geometrical fabric. There's that one. There's that one. Love these colors. And one more. Okay, so there's not a lot here, but you know, it is based on price, not about how many items you get. So it's just always random. You don't know what you're gonna get, but I like it because I get to see new things, things I may not have otherwise looked at, and it gives me something new to try. So that's why I love the Quilty Box, because it's something new and different all the time. So we'll start with the fabric. It says the Quantum Fabric Bundle features rich tones and saturated colors fit for a rainbow. Each print was originally hand-drawn by Giuseppe and reproduced to create daring texture and depth. We know you'll love working with these prints from Andover Fabrics. And this retails for $26. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, which maybe, I'm guessing they're fat quarters. Yeah, that's what they look like. So I love those colors. Then we have the 4x4 felted wool pressing mat. It says 4-inch wool pressing mat, press any block with ease. The density of this high quality 100% felted wool mat absorbs seams and stitches, effectively pressing both sides at once. The texture of the wool also stops fabrics from shifting, so there's no distortion when pressing. This retails for $5. The Aurifil thread. We have Iceberg and Teal. They're valued at $4.99 a piece. They're 50 weight with 200 yards. Bundles of Inspiration, which is this booklet, which has 2 patterns, is valued at $10. The needles, $2.50. And the fish scissors are from Tooltron. And it says, adding a touch of whimsy to your sewing kit. These fish snips will remind you to just keep swimming or snipping. Featuring a TSA friendly, travel friendly 3.5-inch fine point and stainless steel construction. These scissors from Tooltron are sure to be a go-to from English paper piecing to binding, embroidery, and more. And those are valued at $8.95. So they are cute, but they're a little stiff. You can hear that, they're kind of rubbing. So other than that, they're super cute and they do cut good. So that is everything. You have several options to choose from for your box. You can get it month to month, 3 months prepaid, 6 months prepaid, or a 12-month prepaid. And 5% of profits from the multi-month subscription plan support quilts for kids. I think I do 6 months, so it's $45 for the 6 month. 12 months, it's $44. 3 months is $46, and if you do month to month, it's $48. So that is everything. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. And thanks so much for stopping by. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.